Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. For today's video, we're going to be doing my cash stuffing for paycheck number 1 for July. So let's get started. So I have my money here. So we're going to count our money, and today we're working with $318. So we're just going to count our money. Have
50, 70, 90, 110, 120, 130, 140, 50, 160, 70, 80, 90, 200, 210, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 300, 305, 310, 315, 316, 17, 18. So we're going to just lay our money out.
hopefully you guys can. Alright, let's see here. So hopefully you guys can see. Alright, so now that we have our money together, we're going to start with our cash envelope binder, and I have my little cheat sheet right here off to the side, but I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's over here. So we're going to start with our cash envelope binder. And so see what we have in spending. So we have 5, 6, 7 in spending, so we're going to put that to the side. Household, we have 10, 15, but we're going to roll this over. We're going to keep this in here because I have a little shopping to do this weekend. Groceries doesn't have anything right now. Gas has $20, and we're going to roll this over as well. Coins, and I have my Starbucks gift card and also my restaurant gift card back there. So what I'm gonna do is take my little coin jar I got from the Dollar Tree, and we're gonna put that in there. All right, so we're gonna get started. So spending is going to get $10. Household is going to get $10 as well. So now household has $10.25. We're actually going to Sam's Club Saturday, and I have to take my nephew shopping because he goes back to school, so we're going to get some household items as well. Groceries is going to get $15 today. So we have a 10 and a 5 for groceries. Oh, money. I hate, so gas is going to get $40. So that would be $2.20. So now in gas we have 20, 40, 60. So that is it for our cash envelope binder. And all of these products that I'm using in the video will be listed down below in the description box if you're interested. So first binder we're going to start with is our yellow binder. And we're going to start with the emergency fund. And I have $1,000 slip in here because there's $1,000 in my bank account already. So, emergency fund is going to get $40, so that would be $2.20. So now in emergency fund we have $1,040. Next is savings, and we're gonna get $20 in our savings envelope. So that would be a $20 bill. So in savings are now 50, 70, 90, 100, 110, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 200, 205, 210, 215, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. So we have $228 in our savings envelope here. So extra that is going to get $20. I have one more credit card that I need to pay off. So we're gonna start working on that as well. I've been paying on it, I just haven't been paying like extra. So extra that has $20. Next is birthdays, and birthdays is going to get $10. We just had a birthday in July, and my oldest nephew's birthday. So my niece's birthday is in August 14th. She'll be 2, so I have to get her something as well. Next up is Christmas, and Christmas is getting $75. So I told y'all, like, my first priority was my family vacation fund, and after we went on vacation, Christmas was going to be the next top priority. So that's where we are right now. So that would be a 50, a 20, and a 5. So we have $75 is going into Christmas. Where's that 20? All right, let's see. So now Christmas has 50, 100, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 200, 210, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. So I have $260 in our Christmas fund, which is awesome. Next envelope we're stuffing is medical, and medical is getting a $5 bill. I think I'm going to top this off at 100 and be done with that. So medical now has 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61. So I have $61 in medical, and that's only for, like, I have 2 high blood pressure medicines I'm taking, so they're like $30-something every 3 months, but my copay is only like $20 when I have to go to the doctor, which I don't go regularly like that. So we're gonna top that off at 100. So family time is getting $5. Family time now has 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28. And we're probably going to get ice cream today. Today is Wednesday, July 28th. So I think we're gonna go get some ice cream from Dairy Queen today. Self-care is not getting anything, but self-care has $7, I think. So 5, 6, 7, yes. Let's see, my vacation is not getting anything. Car maintenance is going to get 15, and I moved car maintenance from my cash envelope because I figured it needed to be a sinking fund, because I'll be saving for like car washes and also oil changes. So yeah, so car maintenance has 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45. So we're doing good in there. And then our tithing envelope, we do not stuff on camera. So we're gonna switch out our binders. We're gonna stuff our pink binder. So mother is getting $10. So we're gonna add this 10. So now she has 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 110, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. So she has $160, which is awesome. The next 4 envelopes are my nephews and my nieces, and so they're each going to get $5. So now the oldest has 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72. So he has $72. Also getting $5 is Nyla. All right. So she now has 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. So she has $80. Princeton is getting 5 as well. All right, so he now has 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So he has $65. Awesome. Nasaya is getting 5. So she has 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 80. So she has $80. Sam's Club is not getting anything. Giving is getting $2, so that would be, and this envelope is empty because it had 11, but I gave it to someone in need yesterday, so we're starting over. So Giving now has $2. Tech is getting $1. And I want an iPad, but it's not a top priority right now, so I'm just going to probably stuff this with $1 until it becomes a top priority. So now we have 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. So $29 in our tech envelope. Next up is retirement, and retirement is not getting anything. Student loans is getting a $5 bill. So now we have 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. I'm not required to pay student loans right now, and I'm going to be on a payment plan when I do have to start paying. So that's where we are right now. Also, miscellaneous is getting a $5 bill. So miscellaneous has 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. And this is just a cushion for anything that I don't budget for. That way I don't have to pull out of any other envelopes. Let's see. And for some odd reason, I have $10 left. I have no idea why, because I stuffed all of my envelopes. So there's an extra 10 left. So I guess what I'm gonna do is probably put it in extra debt, since I'm trying to, let's see, this is savings. I'll probably put it into extra debt. So now extra debt has 30 instead of 20. All right, guys, so that is it for this video. Oh yeah, with the extra money that I had left over out of my cash envelopes, I have $7. So this will probably go into this. I'm going to put into I think I'm going to stick this in my extra debt as well. So now we have 20, 30, 35, 36, 37. So that works out. Yeah. Alright, so that is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up, like the video, comment down below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.